Hello, my student. This is the activity for today. You please copy the date, topic, and performance. You have 1 minute, no more. Let's go. Okay, continue. In your page, in your book 33, point C, you have one activity. Please, I need that you open the book and read. Listen and mark the doctor advice, okay? You need to mark the activity and mark. And then you correct the sentences. In these sentences we have a mistake. Hay unos errores que encontramos en estas oraciones, entonces lo tienes que corregir. ¿Ok? Esa es la actividad, corregir la palabra que está mal. En la primera la palabra que estaba mal es what does he normally play? Eso no es lo que pregunta el doctor, él pregunta what does he normally eat. ¿Ok? Y así lo tienes que hacer con las actividades. Sentence. Ok, listen. The audio. Oh my God. Listen the audio. I don't know what happened here. Here. Okay, continue. Okay, if you need to listen 2 times, 3 times, you listen. Okay, please, this is the activity for today. Answer points, page 33, point C and D. Okay, my students, bye.